And Nandigram is back news as BJP has given an open challenge to TMC Supremo. Mamata Banerjee is going to be contesting upcoming state elections from Nandigram. BJP's Bengal in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya in a tweet asked Mamata to declare her candidacy from Nandigram. The Bengal Chief Minister announced TMC rally at Nandigram in Jan that she will contest from the seat that is home turf of a former close aide confidant Shivendu Adhikari, who has now joined the BJP. Nandigram is important for Mamata as she rode the crest of anti-farmland acquisition movement in 2007 and came to power in 2011, ending the 34-year rule of the left front.
Nandigram seat, এমনিতে এটা জেনারেল সিট, কাজেই কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। এমনকি আমি যদি নন্দীগ্রামে দাঁড়াই কেমন হয়? এটা আমার ইচ্ছা হয়েছে, আমার মনোবাসনা। ভবানীপুরকেও আমি নেগলেক্ট করছি না, ভবানীপুরেও আমি ভালো প্রার্থী দেবো, ওটাও আমার ভালোবাসার জায়গা। বক্সিকে বলবো নন্দীগ্রামেও আমার নামটা যেন থাকে।
আপনি আর আপনার তোলাবাজ ভাইপো যে কোনো মিটিংয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে এই কোম্পানির যে কোনো সিদ্ধান্ত ঘোষণা করতে পারে, ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি তা নয়। ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি একটা শৃঙ্খলিত পার্টি, ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি একটা অনুশাসিত পার্টি। এই পার্টিতে কোন সভাতে দাঁড়িয়ে কে কোথায় দাঁড়াবেন এভাবে বলা যায় না। এটাই আপনার কোম্পানির সঙ্গে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির তফাৎ। তবে আমি আপনাদের কাছে কথা দিতে পারি, নন্দীগ্রামে মাননীয় দাঁড়ান।
Soon after the election date is announced, a few days after that, Trinamool will announce its list of candidates. My understanding is, yes, that she's already announced Nandigram, and she's not a lady who goes back on her word. At that Nandigram meeting, she also announced she was fighting in Bhawanipur, and she's not a lady who goes back on his word. So,
Suryagini is now joining us live from Kolkata for the very latest as far as the Bengal Assembly elections and all the politicking that is going on is concerned. Suryagini, first up, the focus here becomes Nandigram now, given the fact that it's Shivendu's home turf. He's now with the BJP and Mamata has decided to contest from there. So it's going to be an interesting one to watch out for this time around in the election, Suryagini.
Well, absolutely, and it's just not Shivendu's bastion in Nandigram, but it has been like Nandigram, Kachi, Tomluk, the areas of East Midnapur have been a bastion of the Adhikari family, led by Shishir Adhikari, the father of Shivendu Adhikari. They have been the political masters of East Midnapur ever since the 1990s, when they were when they were members of the Congress, and they have been able to maintain that. Mamata Banerjee has had a very personal relationship with the Adhikari family, and Shubhen, and if we look back at her political career in 2011, when she came to power, Nandigram and Singur, both the land agitation movements in these two areas, were the major factors behind her massive popularity and the upswing of her massive popularity in the rural areas. So Nandigram and Singur have been extremely important for Mamata Banerjee, especially in her political career. Now, come 2021, with no Shivendu Adhikari, with Mamata Banerjee, it seems more like a personal war, and that is why maybe Mamata Banerjee had openly cited her desire to contest the elections from Nandigram. Nandigram is still, it's a vacant seat right now because Shivendu, the incumbent MLA, he resigned from the post of MLA-ship in December.
Yes, let's re-establish that connection to Suryagini, and he's going to be getting us more on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.